Hi my loves, today I'll be showing you guys how to do a bloody heart makeup look inspired by Pixie Blood on Instagram. Now if that's out the way, let's get into the video. The first step is to wipe down your eyebrows. Then we'll be going in with a few layers of gluing down our eyebrows. Now I'm combing out my eyebrows to lay them flat in place. Then I'm going to let them dry. Afterwards, I'm going to be using some powder to block my brows. Now I'm going to be sketching out the heart with an eyeliner pencil. After, I'll be using some liquid latex to outline the heart. Right after, I'm going to be grabbing some tissue and tightly rolling it up to make the skin. Now I'm carefully lining the tissue into a heart shape that fits my face. After I placed it to my liking, I'm going to be grabbing some foundation to blend the tissue into my skin. After blending the foundation, make sure you set it with a setting powder. After the foundation, I'm going in with a bright red and a darker red for the face paint. I'm going in with some darker shades to create more depth into the look. After I'm done using a makeup sponge, I'm going to be using some setting powder. To bring back some of the depth after using the setting powder, I'm going in with some black face paint and black eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to start blending the eyeshadow for the cut crease. Now I'll be adding foundation in key areas to give it a fresh looking effect. Afterwards, I'm going to be using a gloss to give the flesh a bloody look with a flat brush. After applying the gloss, I'll be going in with some liquid latex, tweezers, and fake silver beads as piercings. And right after, I'm going in with some eyeliner and mascara. Now I'm putting the leftover tissue and blood and using it as more flesh for the heart. The last step is to add fake metal spikes. The spikes are made out of wire and flat earring backings. Hey guys, I'm back. I did my hair, my lashes, and more of my makeup and stuff off camera. So yeah, give you more like a punk vibe type of look for today's look. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and link to my socials are down below. So yeah, bye.